Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice square root math problem, which is the square root of 24 to the power of 3 plus 32 to the power of 3 plus 40 to the power of 3. So let's provide a solution from here. Now, we have the square root of 24 raised to the power of 3 plus 32 raised to the power of 3, then plus 40 to the power of 3. We can express 24, this is the same thing as 3 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 3, then plus, we can express that 2. This is the same thing as 8 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 3, and we can express 40 to the power of 3 as 8 multiplied by 5, then everything here raised to the power of 3. The next step is that 3 times 8 to the power of 3 and 8 times 4 to the power of 3 as well as 8 times 5 to the power of 3. This is in the form of a times b raised to the power of n, which we can express as a to the power of n times b to the power of n. Applying this exponent property, then here we have the square root of, this is 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 8 to the power of 3, then plus, here we have 8 to the power of 3 times 4 to the power of 3, then plus 8 to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of 3. Now, if you check here, 8 to the power of 3 is common here, so we can factor out 8 to the power of 3. So we have 8 to the power of 3 into the parentheses. This is 3 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3, then plus 5 to the power of 3, cross the parentheses here, so that now this is the square root of 8 to the power of 3 into the parentheses, 3 to the power of 3, this is 27, plus 4 to the power of 3, this is equal to 64, then plus 5 to the power of 3, this is 125. So we have 125 plus 64, this is 9, 6 plus 2, this is 8, 1, then plus 27. So let's add 27 here. So this is 9 plus 7, this is equal to 16, carry 1. 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1, this is 11, carry 1 here. So we have 216. So we have the square root of 8 to the power of 3 times 216. So we have the square root of 8 to the power of 3 times 216. So this is 216, which we can express as 216 divided by 2 here. This is 108. 108 divided by 2, this is 54. 54 divided by 2, this is 27. Now 27 divided by 3, this is 9. 9 divided by 3, this is 3. And we have 3 divided by 3, this is 1. So this implies that we have 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 3. And this is the same thing as 2 times 3 raised to the power of 3. And this is equal to 6 to the power of 3. So we have that 216. This is the same thing as 6 to the power of 3. So this means we have the square root of 8 to the power of 3 multiplied by 6 to the power of 3. Now, this is in the form of a to the power of n times b to the power of n, which we can express as a times b raised to the power of n. Applying this exponent property, then we have the square root of 8 multiplied by 6 raised to the power of 3. Now, the next step is that we can express 8 times 6 to the power of 3. This is the same thing as the square root of 8 times 6 multiplied by 8 times 6 raised to the power of 2. Remember, this is raised to the power of 1. So this is the same as 8 times 6 to the power of 3. So this means that now we have the square root of 8 times 6, then times the square root of 8 times 6 raised to the power of 2. Now we can eliminate the square root sign here, so that now we have 8 times 6, which is equal to 48. So we have 48 multiplied by square root of 8 times 6. We can express 8 times 6. This is the same thing as 8 is the same thing as 2 times 4. Then 6 is the same thing as 2 times 3. So this is 48 into the parenthesis. This is 2 times 2, which is 4, times 4 times 3. And this is equal to 48 multiplied by, now, a square root of 4, this is 2, and square root of 4 again is 2. So this is 2 times 2, which is 4, then times square root of 3. So we have 48 times 4. This is equal to 192 multiplied by square root of 3. And this is the solution to this square root math problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video.